Alright, I'm here in Morgan Monroe still. This is the waterfalls right here by Drapers Cabin. Thought I'd show you guys this. It's a really cool spot. I like to come and hang out, kind of sit. It's real peaceful. Just listen to the water run. You can see there's a nice spring right there. See the water coming off right there. Let's see if I can get it here. There's some little ice crystals. There we go. A nice little hole there. Little spring. Just another one right there. Here's the pool of water. I'll give you guys some other views of it too. It's a nice little ice formation there. Nice sickle. I'm gonna step here on this rock. Whoops. And make sure it's safe. Don't want to fall on this while I got the camera. This water is cold, cold, cold. It's about 45 degrees today. That's a really cool shot right there. I'll try to get a couple more good views of this stuff here. Here we go, here's another view of this. And from the front, if you will. We'll zoom in a little bit. Get you a view of this creek. Another little awesome area here. Zoom in on this. Now that is pretty much clay. All that right there is clay, and you can see how the water's just eroded it over time. It looks really, really cool. Looks like actually there's a way right here I can get down. Actually, I can just take this trail. See if this comes down. There's like a little couple campfires over there, it looks like. People been camping. This is in the back country, so it's not, ooh, almost fell. Slippery right there. This is where, ooh. You can see here, these are fossils. You know, most of Indiana used to be a sea floor, used to be ocean, hundreds of thousands of years ago. And this right here, this is what we're seeing. This is the bottom of that. This is all those old creatures stuck there. It's a really cool rock. I think I'm gonna come back and grab that dude on my way out. Got another nice piece here. Zoom in so you can see kind of the texture of this. But there's all kinds of this stuff here. Alright. This is what I'm walking on here. I'll let you know this is what I'm dealing with. Pretty slippery. Got this really bright red worm here. Check this guy out. This is pretty cool. Zoom out, you can actually see that's there in this clay bed formation here at the bottom of this creek. And this is what I'm looking at. This is the area that we're working with here. show you what I mean by this is just clay. Zoom out here. See, look at that. Just gone. I mean, it's so, you can mold it so easily. It's so easy. I mean, look at this. On this rock. Big old piece of something there. Now this I missed. See, it's always good to kind of stop and keep looking around and make sure you've seen everything you really wanted to see, because this here is really cool. There's a geode here stuck in this rock that's, you know, look at this. I'm gonna step over here on this. Look at this. It's got a really nice cavity, a lot of nice crystals in it. It's stuck there in the rock pretty good. This is where I was wanting to go to show you some of this. There's some really nice close-ups of this stuff here. This is really cool. And you can see back over there, nice little nook, lots of icicles. It's just really, Drapers Cabin area is really